I'm sure you've heard the news. There's an easy way to make your tired-looking Jeep the coolest ride on the block. Meet a typical 2008 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, a family hand-me-down turned high school dream machine. Southern Ride Customs has worked its magic crafting custom upgrades that'll blow your mind. Check out the new giant floating touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto tech that's as smart as it looks. New seat covers throughout and custom floor mats. Oh yeah, we've got that covered. And don't miss the TrueMod's LED headlights with integrated turn signals, which have also been integrated with the new LED running board lights. Greater visibility glowing white with daytime running lights and changing to amber whenever turn signals engage, and way too cool. Illuminated Jeep tow hitch cover also flashes in sequence with turn signals or hazard lights engaged to slick dynamic LED color change beverage cup holders and tiny details that make a huge impact. SRC does it all. Touch up or trick out your Jeep with Southern Ride Customs, your trusted partner in making every ride uniquely yours. Ready to transform your Jeep? Head over to southernridecustoms.com and let's get started.